Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video, I will be showing you how you can download and install the Yahoo application. So first of all, open the Google Play Store. This video is for the Android users. If you are using a iOS device, you need to tap upon the Apple Store, the App Store in it, and then you can search for the Yahoo app. So once you have downloaded the Google Play Store, you tap on search bar and there you type in Yahoo, then tap on search. You can see the search result on the very top. Now you need to tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. Yahoo is an American web service provider. With the help of Yahoo, you can send mail to the recipient email address of yours. In that mail, you can attach files, folder, documents, or anything that you want to convey it to the other parties through mail. You can see the application has been downloaded. You tap on open, and with that, you have successfully downloaded and installed the Yahoo application on your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.